Whether you want to continue your education in finance or apply to earn the CFA charter, the financial analysis courses are the right choice for you. We'd like to welcome you to our program, and we ensure you that what you learn with us will prove to be a valued asset in the development of your aptitudes and the furthering of your career. The Financial Analysis Certificate includes courses broken down into easy-to-complete modules that cover important aspects from the curriculum Level I CFA candidates are required to know while preparing to write the CFA examinations. All course materials and assessments are online. Each course is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Courses and the modules that make up the courses can be accessed from anywhere around the world with an internet connection and without requiring any software downloaded to your computer. Courses can be accessed for a duration of 3 months, giving you plenty of time to review, study, and not only test your knowledge, but improve your grades. Our courses cover fundamental knowledge about investment theory and practice in today's globalized world and include corporate finance. This course reviews the principles used by corporations when assessing their financial decisions and selecting their short and long-term investments. Each module explains the most important concepts you should learn about corporate finance and helps you assess your knowledge through interactive quizzes. Alternative investments. This course offers an overview of the most common types of alternative investments such as real estate, venture capital, hedge funds, closely held companies, distressed securities, and commodities. Most importantly, this course teaches methods to analyze alternative investment opportunities, their risks, and how they might impact on returns. Derivatives. The derivatives course explains basic derivatives securities, derivatives markets, and the use of options in risk management. Each module teaches concepts through real-life examples so you can understand the role that derivatives play in managing financial risk and creating synthetic exposure to asset classes. Interactive quizzes have been designed to help you reflect on what you learned and put your knowledge in practice. Ethical and professional standards. The materials in this course present investment professionals or students with a framework for ethical conduct in the investment industry. The CFA Institute's Code of Ethics, Standards of Professional Conduct, and Global Investment Performance Standards are used as educational notes because they are globally recognized as providing a high level of ethical and professional guidance to investment. Fixed income. The Fixed Income course teaches you how to analyze, evaluate, and manage fixed income securities. This course also describes the primary issuers, sectors, and types of bonds, as well as yields and spreads that affect monetary policies on financial markets. Primary tools for valuation and analysis are also explained, such as basic valuation theory and techniques for bonds and fixed income investment valuation. Quantitative methods. This introductory course on quantitative methods presents statistical concepts and techniques that are essential in the financial industry. The first part of the course focuses on tools for describing and estimating risk, including calculating the time value of money and descriptive statistics. Probability theory and distributions are then introduced as techniques to describe the behavior of random variables, and this leads to estimation techniques, hypothesis testing, and technical analysis as methods used to help make investment decisions. All our courses are structured in modules that cover the most relevant topics in today's investment and finance fields. Each module includes animated presentations created by instructors that are subject matter experts and have extensive experience working with corporations.
So when looking at a company's balance sheet, you have to be able to pick out the information you need in order to calculate market weights of each component cost of capital. Let's go on to Recourse balance sheet. We are told that there are 1 million shares outstanding with a value of $7,155,000. We are also told that Recourse has $4 million of long-term debt. Now we need to do a little bit of math to figure out just how many outstanding bonds there are. Unless otherwise specified, you can assume that the face value of each bond is $1,000. So if they're showing $4 million of long-term debt issued as bonds, then we can determine that there are 4,000 bonds outstanding with a face value of $1,000, giving us a total long-term liability for those bonds of $4 million.
Let's use a very classic and very well-known example to understand better what event risk means. We're going to look at the case of one of the biggest LBOs, leveraged buyouts, of RGR Nabisco in 1988. What happened in this financing of this hostile acquisition? The assets of RGR Nabisco were used as collateral for the junk bonds that were issued in order to finance the hostile acquisition. That resulted in a downgrade. So here we have an event, this highly leveraged LBO that resulted in a drop in the credit rating. Also, what happened, all industrials were perceived as possible LBO targets at the time. So the whole sector was affected, and credit spreads of that sector widened substantially.
To help you throughout our courses, each module offers notes that you can download and annotate as you watch the presentations. Moreover, you can test how much you learned about a topic by completing the quizzes located at the end of each module. You may try each quiz as many times as you want. These quizzes are not graded. Once you master the course content, you can complete the final test to pass the course. You also have unlimited attempts to do the final test while you have access to the course. This increases your chances to successfully complete the course. The courses that comprise a financial analysis certificate provide you with a flexible and convenient opportunity to fulfill your financial training. Students can register for one or more courses, or they can register for specific modules in a course depending on their particular need and interest. Knowledge One is available to you via email or phone to answer your questions about course contents or to provide technical support. We look forward to having you join us in our program.